How to get a Snapchat account back after being banned. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get a Snapchat account back after being banned. If your Snapchat account is banned, start by appealing the ban. Open a browser, then go to the Snapchat support page. Here, click Contact Us and select I can't access my account. After that, choose I see an error message when I log in and click Yes for further help. Now fill out the form with your username and explain what happened, then submit your request. Next, if your account is temporarily banned, you can wait for the ban to expire. Avoid repeating the actions that caused the ban during this time. If Snapchat banned your IP address, here's what to do. First, delete the Snapchat app. After that, get a reliable VPN like NordVPN and connect to a server in the US or Europe. Then reinstall Snapchat and create an account instead of logging in to the old one. Now, if your device's IMEI number is banned, you can try waiting for 6 months before using the same device to create a new account. Alternatively, use a different device to start fresh. In the end, appealing the ban is the best option, but if it doesn't work, these steps can help you access Snapchat again. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.